Good morning. It's Tuesday. Week 2, day 2. Day 7. Day 7 of my workout, but second day in week 2. I just finished my curls. I hope this light is helping to keep the wall from turning yellow when I lean over. The camera does low light, but let me tell you, in a house, low light is really low light. We think it's bright, but the cameras, all these action cameras are made for ambient light, sunlight, or even on cloudy days. That's what they consider low light. The lights in a house are just not very bright for a camera. So, and it's the wrong kind of light. I don't know how to explain that, but it's not the right kind of light for the camera. But I hope I've got it set. This is the best camera I can use. I hope I've got it set up properly. I'm going to do my shoulder presses now. I've rested for about 5 minutes after I did my curls. This is only my second week, guys. Bear with me. Oh, that hand. God. All right, those are getting easier too. So I think I mentioned yesterday that I might be able to increase my reps. The goal of this, of course, is to build strength. And I can't remember what he's called now. The physical therapist that works with injured athletes and things that I spoke to last, before I started making my videos and stuff like that. He told me that if I get to where I'm doing like 15 or 20 reps, 3 sets, that I need to go up in my weights. He said, just like when I was doing tree service work, the more you actually strain your muscles, the more strength you build. It's not about getting big and puffy and it's not about working every single minuscule little muscle in my body to make them pop, because I'm not a bodybuilder. I'm just trying to get my natural strength back. So the people that are commenting that, go to the gym and they work this and then they work this and then they do these and, these pull downs and all, and they're trying to make every little muscle in their body pop. I don't need to do that. That's not the strength that I'm looking for. I need everyday, normal life strength, not show. I think it's great that people do that to make every little muscle in their body ripple. That's fantastic. I probably will never have a 6-pack, but I can promise you somebody can punch me in the stomach as hard as they want when I get in shape, and it won't faze me. When I was doing tree service work, I didn't have a 6-pack, but I could take a punch. So having a 6-pack is great for show, but being able to tighten up your stomach and let somebody my size punch you in the stomach and just laugh at them, that's more of what I want. And when I get my stomach where it needs to be, I'll be able to do that again. So I'm not doing this for show muscle. Just understand that. I wish I knew what I did to that thumb. There's a big lump right here. And what's happening is it's pulling on this tendon. Anyway, I can't explain it. I don't know what I did to it. I did this once before years ago, and I don't remember what I did to fix it. or if it just went away on its own. I don't remember. Anyway, if you guys want me to do a high-speed video of my full workout, let me know. I can do that. I wasn't planning on doing anything like that because I personally think you'll get more out of the videos watching me do them in normal speed. Forgot what else I was going to say. You know all the exercises I'm doing at this point. You know the exercises that I'm doing in the morning. Next week I'll show you some of I'm doing some stretching and I'm doing some kinetic exercises. I guess that's what they're called, kinetic holds or whatever. You can tell I'm not a gym bro because I don't know what all these exercises are called, but I'm doing them and I feel amazing. I've only been in it for 1 week and 2 days now, and I feel freaking amazing. I get up in the morning and I look forward to working out now. Whereas before I got up in the morning, I looked forward to getting a cup of coffee and sitting in front of my computer and vegging on YouTube for a while. Now I get up, I look forward to everybody leaving the house so I can do my workout. And like I said, if I wasn't making videos, I could just get up in the morning, close my door, and do my workout in silence, and nobody would be the wiser. Because normally when I get up in the morning, I just close my door and sit in front of my computer. So nobody would know any different. And I could do my workout in silence. But because I'm making videos, I have to wait for people to leave the house. I said that yesterday. I'll try not to repeat myself too much, but oh, that hand. That last one was pretty hard, pretty tough, but we're doing it. We're doing it. I am so freaking happy. I can't tell you how good it feels to do this every day. Like when I was working tree service work, I would get up in the morning and I would get a cup of coffee and drink it and wait for my crew to show up because I had a crew. And I would get my second cup of coffee and we'd get in the truck and we'd head to the job. And I was always excited about getting that work in for the day. For 32 years, not a single day went by when I went, I just don't feel like doing anything. I had energy. I was popping. I was ready to go every single morning. But then again, I absolutely loved my job. If you hate your job, you're going to be, I don't want to do this. If you love your job, you're going to jump up in the morning. You're going to want to go to work. I love doing this workout. I'm breathing a little hard, I know. These are real videos. You're seeing me do this in real time. So if I'm breathing hard, that's just part of it. So after 1 week, working on my second week now, last week I'd get out of bed and I'd be like, oh, here we go. Got to do my workout and make a video. This week, I'm getting up in the mornings and I'm hopping. I'm ready to go. I want to do my workout, you know, and that excites me because the more I do this, the more I'm going to want to do it. And I'm happy about that. So please hit the subscribe button, click the like button, share the video, throw me some love, show me some support. I just delete the negative comments. I don't even worry about those. I just delete them and block them. Throw me some love. Let me know I'm doing okay. Let me know if I'm inspiring you to get off your ass and do something. I'll see you tomorrow.